So overall, today was not a great day for trades. Price was trailing upwards for Nasdaq and S&P, and at the time I was looking for some sort of AMD setup, so I wasn't looking at S&P and Nasdaq at all. So that SMT was invalid for me. I was looking for long, so I was mainly looking at SMTs at the lows, and since price never swept these lows during S&P and Nasdaq's market, US 30 and the Russell came in and swept Asia lows, and at that point I thought this is great for longs. But of course we're ahead of news still. We still have news. Uncle Paul is speaking at 4 p.m. and I really don't like 4 p.m. news, and I don't like speeches in general because that kind of messes up price for me. I can't get a good read, so it's one of the reasons I don't like news like today. But in any case, we saw this deep reaction, thinking price was just coming in for some sort of retracement. We're looking for an AMD setup so price can, continue the bullish momentum we've been having since Monday. But of course, today was one of those days where price is just going to do the opposite. So I will assume that we are having a Wednesday reversal profile. Seeing that we took previous day highs on the other markets, we didn't on certain markets. So I can anticipate some bearish structure going in the rest of the week. For NAS and S&P. I think that the bullishness has exhausted for this week, and we can just look for sells going in tomorrow and Friday. So that's my plans for this coming week. The reason for my longs today, as I said, I was really looking for that manipulation higher. Manipulation at the lows to distribute higher, targeting these Asia and London highs for US 30. I was completely ignoring Nasdaq and S&P today because it's already made its bullish it's already exhausted its bullish momentum. So that's what I assumed, and I assumed incorrectly. Price was overall bearish today, and yeah, Nasdaq and S&P I guess threw me off over there, because this, in actuality, when price moves up like this, most likely New York comes in, sweeps, and then takes out the rest of the price like that. So I wasn't anticipating that. I had that idea in mind, but yeah, I just didn't register. I was more focused on looking for longs, continuing the bullish structure we've been having, since Monday. And yeah, taking that first trade, I understand that that was very unnecessary entry, because we should not be trading before Uncle Paul speaks. We had that yesterday, and again we made the same mistake. We should rather wait till after he speaks, like half an hour to an hour after he speaks, to see if anything forms. Otherwise, on days like this, just outright stay out of the market. It will save money in the long run, taking all those losses. Because looking at it now, with all this chop, it just seems like I was trying to force entries. Now that I look at it, I was looking for IFGs where price was not even ready to make any sort of movement to the bullish side. Price is already so far gone downwards that there's no hope for longs today. So yeah, I think lesson learned. At least we didn't lose as much as we thought. We de-risked on the second trade. So if we look at the results, we only lost one trade's worth. So $27.56. You can see that the first trade we had a much bigger amount. We de-risked on the second trade. You can see we took a smaller lot size, or contract size if you want to say. So yeah, so far we're still in profit, so that's okay. We have 2 more days left in this week to get our profits up there, and I definitely think that we're going to see sales going into tomorrow and Friday. So looking forward to that. Trust me, tomorrow, Friday, is going to be so much better. Yeah, what else can I say? We have more volatility in terms of news. If you check red folder news, we've got unemployment claims and core PCE price, all 2:30 news. Fantastic that we don't have to worry about news in our session. That's going to mess up anything. So yeah, all of these minor news doesn't really matter that much. Red folder news is what's going to give us the volume, the indicator of what's happening. So yeah, super excited. This will definitely tell us if we're going to have a Wednesday reversal or not. If we're going to be bearish, this will be the driver. It's going to push us lower. So looking forward to that. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll make sure to post yesterday's win tomorrow, because I realized I forgot to do that today. So I'll do that since we don't have a winning video today. I'll just post yesterday's one. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the week and good luck with the rest of the trades. Cheers.